Hey everyone, welcome back to Parna Garden. An August thunderstorm rolled through our area this week, and I wasn't sure what I would find out here. Some plants are looking surprisingly refreshed, others not so much. So in this video, we are taking a raw, unfiltered look at the garden after the storm. What held up, what took a hit, and how to cope with the damage. Let's take a walk. Since this space is more like a flower forest than a traditional garden, with plants growing closely together, they supported one another and held up well during the storm. In contrast, when plants are spaced farther apart, especially tall and delicate ones, they are more vulnerable. During heavy rain, plants absorb a lot of water, which can make their stems brittle and prone to snapping if they bend too far in strong winds. Cosmos is a good example. This variety grows 6 to 8 feet tall, and once saturated with water, their weight combined with the wind can cause them to bend and break sometimes just a limb, sometimes the whole plant. So what can you do with those broken stems? Instead of tossing them into trash, consider turning them into mulch. Just lay the broken pieces around the plants to help retain soil moisture. You can chop them up if you'd like, but even whole stems can serve the purpose. Another great option is to add them to your compost pile and let nature take care of the rest. Whatever you choose, please don't throw them in trash. Even broken plants are valuable resources. They can return nutrients back to the soil and continue supporting your garden's health. If you found these tips useful, please consider subscribing to Parna Garden channel. Click the like button and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Please post your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.